I've had these Bose Open Earbuds for nearly a year now, and I figured I should review this product to help people decide on if they should buy these. I will be starting with the specs, moving to what I don't like, after what I do like about them, and then an overall conclusion. These are earbuds that do not go inside your ear, but sit on the outside that have sweat and water resistance, IPX4. Battery life is up to 7 hours, and the full earbud charge time is up to an hour. They have lithium-ion batteries and have a USB-C port. Last thing to mention is that they have Bluetooth version 5.3. Okay, let's get started on the negatives. I've had quite a lot of connectivity issues with them on my iPhone. This might be because it was the iPhone 14 Pro Max instead of a 15 or 16, but I doubt it. There were occasions where the earbuds completely disconnect, and I have to reconnect them to Bluetooth, or even remove the device and pair them all over again. I never had to do this with any other earbud as much as I had to do with these. After I charged them, bearing in mind they had some battery remaining each time, the audio became crackly and poppy for around the first 10 minutes of using them, which was incredibly frustrating. I was thinking it was a device bug that would be fixed with software updates at first, which did help with a lot of the connectivity issues, but they are still there, but just less common. Weirdly, I didn't have this issue at all on Android phones that I have. Not even one connectivity issue. Another thing I dislike is that it doesn't have wireless charging. Well, they kinda do. You can buy a £50 case from Bose to get this feature, but that isn't ideal considering the price tag of this product already. But a sub to the channel will be priceless.
Bruh.
Okay, that was bad, I'm sorry. Back to the video. I also found that the audio works better on an iPhone than on Android phones, but it isn't very noticeable. Okay, enough of the negatives, let's look at the positives. As they are open earbuds, there isn't any earwax that goes onto them, which is very good as it saves you having to clean them every time you put them in. The audio is extremely good. They do not sound like they are open earbuds at all. There are a lot of configuration options like adjusting the bass, treble, etc., and you can swap from the standard mode to immersion, which sounds amazing. You're able to create presets to cater to your own tastes. Charging time is very quick, so even if they are out of battery, I can charge them for 20 minutes and they work for a long time. Comparing these to Apple AirPods, I definitely prefer the Boses. I'm also very surprised about how comfortable they are on the ears, to the point where you have to focus on them to even feel them on you. So overall, the connectivity issues are annoying, but once I got used to that, I was very happy that I bought these. They give a lot of customization options and the sound quality is very good. However, I do not believe they are worth £300. I got them on a discount for £250, but even that is a bit too much. But I believe that no earbuds are worth more than £150. So take that with a pinch of salt. If you want the best open earbud experience, then this is the best option you have in my opinion. If you made it this far, what do you like about them and don't like about them? Let me know in the comments down below. And that concludes it. Thank you for watching this far. I will be doing more unboxing and review videos soon. Please subscribe to the Perfect Perception channel for more. Have a great day and see you in the next video.